Take command of the road in the 2009 Ford F-150. This four-door, six-passenger truck has not yet reached the 150,000-kilometer mark. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. The following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.